All right, so before we dive into the forecast, changing topics to traffic because we are following this big issue. It is a big travel day, so we want to give you an update what's happening near Greenfield. This is east of the State Road 9 exit, westbound I-70, where we have an overturned semi that is blocking the right lane. Traffic slowly getting around the scene, but you can see traffic is backing up in the westbound direction based on this NDOT camera. Again, this is westbound on I-70 approaching Greenfield. Expect delays. You may want to seek an alternative route if you are in a rush, but we're not following any other major issues on the interstates at this time. It is colder this morning, trending about 10 to 20 degrees colder across central Indiana. 39 is our temperature right now. Winds are out of the west at 18 miles per hour. We are in the 30s. Earlier this morning, we were in the lower 50s. That was shortly after midnight, but now a cold front is passing over the state, and that is reinforcing that cooler air mass, and temperatures are going to struggle to rise from here. We're likely going to hover in the mid to upper 30s through the afternoon. Plus, we are going to have added cloud cover in the sky for today. Chance for a few flurries. Best chance for that is going to be north of the Indianapolis area. We are watching the storm complex producing winter storm warnings along with blizzard warnings in the upper portion of Wisconsin and upper peninsula of Michigan, where we have the Orange County shaded in those areas. That's where the blizzard warning is located, dealing with strong winds and also significant snowfall amounts. Up to 20 inches of snowfall going to be a possibility within that zone with the blizzard warnings and also the winter storm warnings. That is going to have an impact for today. Locally, the biggest issue going to be how strong the winds are going to be through the morning and afternoon hours. As long as we have that wind advisory that's in place. Primarily dry conditions today, and then we should have some clearing as we head into the evening hours. Notice temperatures hover in the mid to upper 30s for the next several hours. We'll call it an afternoon high at 38 degrees later on today. There's a wind advisory, all of central Indiana included. In the time frame from 7 o'clock this morning through 7 p.m., we have the potential of having wind gusts from 45 to 50 miles per hour. Winds are going to be quite strong this morning and afternoon. It'll stay breezy through the evening hours too, but notice that the wind gusts are going to become lighter right around that time and heading into the overnight. Lows drop into the lower 20s. We'll have a low at 23 degrees, decrease in cloud cover and staying breezy. Breezy conditions for tomorrow. That means wind chills early in the day on Thanksgiving, likely going to drop into the lower teens. 25 degrees around 9 o'clock in the morning. By noon, 33, and then our high is going to be closer to 36 degrees for Thanksgiving Day with a mix of sunshine and cloud cover. Looking dry on Friday. Heading into Saturday, a system we'll have to watch because it could produce a sticking snow, but we're still a few days out, so we're keeping an eye on for that. But we will have travel impacts over the weekend because of that wintry mix that's going to travel across the area. 35 for the high on Sunday, staying in the lower to mid 30s into early next week.